You'll be amazed about the possibilities in your life, dear Libra. And most importantly, making sure that you are honoring true decisions when you take the time every single day to practice present moment awareness. And I want to share this with you. It's not difficult. It's not, and it doesn't have to be difficult. And it's not something that's going to get in the way of the rest of your day, right? Because I feel like sometimes, in particular with the Librans, we talked about the platter and the side plate recently. And the platter is you filling up your platter and your to-do list and all these things that you've got to do, you've got to get done, you've got to get done. And once they're all done, then finally you'll maybe take some rest and then take care of yourself and take care of things that are perhaps even more important than what everything you have sitting on that platter, right? And in fact, I'm not even going to say almost, I'm certain that the little things that you can do in your day-to-day life that bring you back into the present moment are far more valuable than everything you have on your platter, convincing yourself that these are all the things that you've got to get through, I've got to get through it, I've got to get... That kind of energy goes into the nervous system, it goes into the body, goes into the mind, it lives in all of the cells in your body. You're not even aware of it and how much it impacts you. You're not aware of it until you have no choice but to become aware of it. So the key for the Librans at the moment is practicing present moment awareness. It doesn't matter if it's 10 seconds. Don't get caught up in the idea that this has got to be hours a day. No. 3 seconds, bring your attention to the flow of the breath. Notice the sensations in the inner energy field of the body. And you can even say to yourself, I'm here now in this moment. Just notice the trees, whatever is in front of you, I'm here now in this moment. A couple of times you might say that, I'm here now in this moment. Then you get on with your day, and a few hours later you're in the middle of something, you take a break, I'm here now in this moment. Or even whilst you're in the middle of something, you might notice that you've drifted off, I'm here now in this moment. Keep bringing yourself back to where you need to be.